Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Maybe it annoys you that the screen switches around all the time when you slightly turn your phone. So for that you can go to your drop down menu and then you have orientation lock here, or lock orientation, and we can turn that off. And when we go to, our Play Store now, and we switch our phone to the side, then the screen turns sideways as well. When we go back and turn that back on and go to the Play Store again, then the screen won't shift sideways anymore. You can do the same by going to your settings and then go to display and scroll down to auto rotate screen. Now it's enabled, and when we go back, then our phone will shift sideways again, and you can see here that it's off again. So that's how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.